Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am doing an old school YouTube style get ready with me, because as you guys are currently watching this, I am actually in the process of moving, so just so I could have something to upload for you guys and I didn't have to spend time trying to perfectly edit a voiceover, I just figured I would do this small little introduction, and then the rest of the time you guys can just kind of sit back, relax, and you know, listen to the music and just watch me get ready. So thank you guys so much for watching. I cannot wait to start sharing all the vlogs of me moving. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and until then, I'll see you next time. Enjoy the music!